I'll go to Canacona. I'll go to Canacona. Quickly, we'll see what Canacona says. Because Canacona is a very interesting thing. Canacona, म्हाका दिसता अजून candidate कोण तें खबर ना, but Canacona BJP भितर Isidore Fernandez is unsafe. Now this is a very interesting constituency where जे contenders आसात ते सगळे BJP भितर आसात. At the same time, the BJP candidate is unsafe. Very quickly, Nilesh, what's the data?
He is fourth highest in getting a worst performance scenario. So Shiroda is number 1, Shioli is number 2, Concon is number 3 and Kurchore is number 4 in terms of getting this highest percentage as people rating the performance of the sitting MLA to be worst. I mean that's not where people have actually indicated in most of the constituencies, but in these 4 constituencies they have underlined it. So that's one. And second, which is more important and that I think BJP should keep in mind, a large quantum of people want to see a change of government. And so therefore...
हे हाज्या पयलीं जाल्लें जेन्ना इजिदोर shifted, there people लोकांनी राग दाखयला आपल्याला रमेश तवडकर got elected. This is again Isidore shifted and again people of Concon are showing the same anger.
Absolutely.
Manoj, I'll go straight away to you and then we'll go to the last slide.
Yeah, in Concon, people have experienced 3 phases. People have seen Vijay Pai Khot, people have seen Tavadkar, people have seen Isidore, and for Isidore, he is facing the highest brunt. Not only because of his non-performance, but also not because he has created a kind of a fragmentation within the BJP camp, which was already fragmented, and there is a third fragmentation with Isidore's thing. So his non-performance has added. People are already looking for an alternative phase, which is different from these 3 phases, and is a very important factor which will emerge now is the Kshatriya Maratha factor there. Because from 1975 onwards, other than Ganba Desai and Manju Desai, this sizable voter base, having money, having muscle power, and having sizable dominance in Concon has been ignored by all the political parties. Now some 2-3 leaders are just propping up. We might feel that this particular section, if is given a representation, they might do fare very well.
Elvis, quickly.
Concon, as expected, that would definitely be unsafe for him. And as you said rightly, the past history also is not kind to him when he has defected. He has defected again. And therefore, again, I would say that it is advantage Congress in this last constituency.
Giri?
As you said, all the credible alternatives are also within the BJP itself. So I think it is BJP's turn to decide who will be the best face and win the seat.
This time the fragmentation is within, not in the opposition.
Yeah.